How to make camping a rewarding endeavor. Enjoying the great outdoors on a camping trip can be a lot of fun for the whole family or just an individual alone looking for a little R&R. The following video is full of great advice you need to know to make your next camping trip easier, more convenient and especially, more enjoyable. A good multi-purpose tool needs to be part of your camping gear. There are two kinds to bring. First is the saw/hammer/axe 3-in-1 tool to use for firewood and other chores. The other is the standard multi-purpose tool with a variety of tools on it like a can opener, tweezers, scissors, and a knife. Keep an eye on the weather. Rain or other conditions may impact your travel time and your experience at the campsite. Make sure that you have gear that is appropriate for the weather conditions that you may face. Adjust your departure time as necessary to try and avoid the bulk of the bad weather, if possible. When going camping, make sure that you bring the right sleeping bag with you. Some sleeping bags will not keep you warm when the temperature dips below 40 degrees, while others will have you sweating all night long because they are too hot. The label on the bag usually will tell you what kinds of temperatures are appropriate for each sleeping bag. At night, create bear bags. Tie a rope around the bags with your food and your trash. Then, find a tree and toss bags over a branch, raising until they are at least 7 or 8 feet off the ground. Tie the rope around the tree so it is secure. This way, bears and other animals will not be able to get into your food and trash during the night. What better way to spend your hard-earned vacation time than a stay in the woods by a campfire? Hopefully this video has shown you new and better ways of dealing with all the little challenges posed by roughing it, and will make your next outing all the more fun. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.